happens when two of the most iconic sport quads go head-to-head again? That's right, we're diving into part 2 of the ultimate battle, Suzuki 450 LTR versus Yamaha 700 Raptor. Whether you're Team Suzuki or rooting for Yamaha, this matchup is always worth watching. We're talking raw power, precise handling, and aggressive off-road action. In this episode, we'll go deeper into performance, terrain handling, and real rider feedback. These machines are built for adrenaline junkies, but which one truly dominates the dirt? That's the question we'll explore in today's video. And if you missed part 1, no worries, we'll give you a quick refresher before we go full throttle. So stick around, grab your helmet, and get ready to find out which quad deserves your garage space. You don't want to miss this. Let's get into it. In part 1, we looked at the basic specs and history of the two quads. The Suzuki 450 LTR is known for its precision, race-ready geometry, and crisp handling. Meanwhile, the Yamaha 700 Raptor is a torque monster with impressive low-end, grunt and versatility. Both have their fans, and both have strengths that cater to different riding styles. We compared top speed, weight, and suspension travel in our first breakdown. Suzuki was lighter and more nimble, while the Raptor had brute force and a more comfortable ride. Today we'll take things a step further. Terrain tests, trail behavior, and rider comfort. We also have fresh clips from dunes, dirt tracks, and rocky trails. It's time to see how they really perform where it matters, off the spec sheet. So whether you're racing, trail riding, or just tearing it up for fun, this info matters. Let's break it all down. Let's talk engines because that's what powers the rivalry. The Suzuki 450 LTR features a fuel-injected, liquid-cooled 450cc single-cylinder engine. It revs high and hits hard in the mid to top end, making it perfect for MX-style riding. The Yamaha Raptor 700, on the other hand, packs a massive 608cc engine with tons of low-end torque. That extra displacement means you don't have to rev it as high to get power. The Raptor feels smoother and more relaxed, while the LTR feels sharp and aggressive. If you're racing on tight tracks or need quick throttle response, Suzuki might be your pick. But for climbing dunes or handling steep trails, Yamaha's torque makes a big difference. Both deliver serious performance, it just depends on how you ride. So ask yourself, do you like to scream through gears or dominate with grunt? The answer could point you to your winner. Now let's focus on how they handle. The LTR 450 was built with motocross racing in mind. It's wide, stable, and razor sharp. Its low center of gravity gives it a planted feel in corners. The independent suspension soaks up jumps in tight terrain with confidence. Yamaha's Raptor is a bit taller and heavier, but surprisingly agile for its size. The 700's longer wheelbase helps on trails and climbs, offering more stability over uneven ground. It also has a plush suspension that makes longer rides more comfortable. In tight turns, Suzuki wins on precision, but Yamaha feels more forgiving over time. So if you're riding for hours on mixed terrain, the Raptor might feel better overall. But if you want race-style handling and sharp control, the LTR shines. Again, it's about how you want the machine to feel under you. You can't ignore how these quads feel when you're in the saddle. The Suzuki LTR 450 has a compact, aggressive stance. It's meant to keep you low and centered during racing. The controls are tight and responsive, but some riders say it can feel cramped after long rides. The Yamaha Raptor 700 offers a more upright and relaxed seating position. With wider handlebars and a cushier seat, it's designed for trail comfort. If you're a taller rider or just looking for more comfort on all-day rides, the Raptor wins here. But if you're chasing lap times and attacking corners, Suzuki's layout fits the bill. Each offers a different kind of riding experience, comfort versus control. Ask yourself, do you ride for speed or for distance? Your answer will help. Narrow your pick. Let's hear what actual riders say after putting both to the test. Many MX riders swear by the LTR's quick handling and responsiveness. They say it feels like an extension of your body when riding fast. But trail riders often lean toward the Raptor's power delivery and smoother ride. One rider mentioned, "The Raptor doesn't wear me out like the LTR does." Another said, "If you love carving corners and jumps, the LTR is magic." Some even customize their Raptor suspension to match the sportier feel of the Suzuki. Meanwhile, LTR owners often modify gearing to improve bottom-end torque. Both communities are passionate, and upgrades are common. In the end, it's clear. Both quads have earned their loyal fans for good reason. You just have to find where you fit. One thing both quads share is the potential for customization. The aftermarket support for both is massive. Want to boost the LTR's low-end torque? Swap the exhaust and remap the ECU. Need to make your Raptor lighter and more responsive? Trim some weight and re-gear it. Both machines respond well to mods, and there's a huge community backing them. Whether you're going for speed, power, or style, parts are out there. Suspension kits, Nerf bars, wider axles, you name it. LTR is often built into a track beast. Raptors are frequently modded for trail domination or even sand dune power, so whatever you buy, know that it can evolve with your riding style. It's not about stock versus stock, it's about the potential. Every machine has highs and lows, so let's call them out. Suzuki's highs, nimble handling, great for racing, fuel injection precision. Lows, smaller engine means less torque, and it can feel cramped on long rides. Yamaha's highs, big power, plush ride, very trail-friendly. Lows, heavier, not as nimble in tight corners and more expensive. The LTR is better for short, aggressive sprints. The Raptor is better for long, powerful runs through trails or dunes. Both require regular maintenance and tuning to stay at their best. So again, the choice is about your priorities. Fast and agile, or strong and comfortable. If you're stuck between these two legends, ask yourself, where do you ride the most? Track, trail, or dunes? Do you want precise control or effortless power? How important is long ride comfort to you? Do you plan to mod your quad heavily or keep it mostly stock? Are you a weekend warrior or an aspiring racer? What's your budget for buying and upgrading? Do you ride solo or with a group who favors a certain style? These questions matter because they reveal what you actually need. Both machines are excellent, you're not making a bad choice, but one will feel more like yours once you get behind the bars. So there you have it, Suzuki 450 LTR versus Yamaha 700 Raptor Part 2. Both machines bring serious heat, each with its own strengths. The LTR is race-ready, sharp, and fast. The Raptor is powerful, comfortable, and versatile. You've got the facts, the feels, and the real-world feedback. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, which one would you ride and why? Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more ATV content. We've got more comparisons, mods, and rider features on the way. Thanks for joining us on this ride. Stay safe, ride hard, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out from the dirt trails. What happens when two of the most iconic sport quads go head-to-head again? That's right, we're diving into part 2 of the ultimate battle, Suzuki 450 LTR versus Yamaha 700 Raptor. Whether you're Team Suzuki or rooting for Yamaha, this matchup is always worth watching. We're talking raw power, precise handling, and aggressive off-road action. In this episode, we'll go deeper into performance, terrain handling, and real rider feedback. These machines are built for adrenaline junkies, but which one truly dominates the dirt? That's the question we'll explore in today's video.